They're all up now.
I was like,
I say you just throw a football.
I don't know where our football is. Oh, I got an old shoe.
We're gonna die.
Tattoo. Maybe the lucky 3 will work. Lucky 3. Lucky number 3.
Why does it feel like we're gonna die?
Well, because I want to record, you guys just want to close the garage. I say just close, just push the button.
Oh.
No, just run into the car, dumbass.
But the door's not even open.
There's some more.
Wait till the car down.
I didn't.
I was in a car.
Like Integra. No, I'm just kidding.
It's okay. You'll see her.
Again? Yes. Come on. Get it, come on. You get it.
So, how was that girl at the thingy? Really? Aw. How did she make you feel?
Can't tell you. It's on tape.
It's okay, Chris. You'll see her again.
I hope so.
What's on this?
I'm inspired to be a good boy now.
Really?
I think she has.
If she is?
I could always be her boyfriend.
Aww.
What is this? That salt filter?
Yep.
Yes.
That fool's gonna have to leave town for good.
Him or you?
Him, because I'm Sean Boswell.
Does that mean you have to go?
The Western guy.
Hey, you can say we do it at the same time.
I'm sorry. I don't speak Japanese. Nutted. The white Integra. These people like, damn, I know these kids are up to no good.
Again.
I believe this is the lucky one right here. I believe.
I believe I
this
can.
is the one that
is the low.
Christian, you gotta go first.
It's okay.
Oh my gosh. Oh my, Christian has a better throw than me, so. Oh my gosh.
Because he's closer.
No, okay.